Close up. Nice. This, where's the camera? This is a lady's drill. I mean, this is a drill, okay? And it's off right now. So, here's what the deal is. You push that in to reverse your screws, pull them out, and you push it the other way to screw them in. See? So here we go. Here, taking out these old screws. Bingo! It's down. Down, down, down. Now I lock it like this. So when you press it, nothing happens. Now that it's locked, no turning. See that? It's locked. So when I squeeze on it, squeeze the trigger, nothing happens. See? Now, that's a nice little drill for a lady. No cord to get tangled up with. And you can do man's work all by yourself. Don't need a miserable guy around unless he's nice. There you go, ladies. Black Decker special. Bim. Push it the other way. And then you turn it off. You push these here. And nothing happens. Okay? Then you take this out of here. Don't mind my nails. I don't always have my nails done. But yeah, nice little bit. You go like that. You go like that to take it out. Okay. Thanks for watching.